In today's video, I will walk you through how to add another email to PayPal account. PayPal allows you to connect more than one email address to the same account. In this tutorial, I'll show you the process for adding an additional email address using the PayPal website. After accessing your PayPal account, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and select the settings icon. The settings icon appears as a small gear symbol. Once the settings page opens, make sure the account tab is selected at the top of the screen. Inside the Account section, locate the email area where your current email addresses are listed. Next to the existing email addresses, select the plus icon. This will open the Add an Email page, where you can enter another email address to connect to your PayPal account. In the email field, type the additional email address you want to add. After entering the email address, select the Add Email button to continue. After that, you'll return to the account page. The new email address will now appear in the email section, but it will display an unconfirmed message underneath it. The next step is to confirm the email address. Go to the inbox connected to the email you added and look for the confirmation email sent by PayPal. Open the email and select the Confirm Your Email button inside the message. This will open a confirmation page asking you to enter your PayPal account password. Enter your PayPal password in the provided field, then select Confirm Your Email again to finish the verification process. After the confirmation is completed, return to the account page inside PayPal. In the email section, the unconfirmed message will no longer appear below the email address you added. This confirms that the email address has now been successfully verified and connected to your PayPal account. If you have multiple email addresses connected to your account, they will all appear in the email section of the account page. The newly added address will remain there along with your existing email addresses after the confirmation process is complete. The process is the same each time you want to add another email address to your PayPal account. You only need to enter the email address, confirm it through the email message sent by PayPal, and then return to the account page to verify that the confirmation has been completed successfully. Once the unconfirmed label disappears, the email address has been added correctly and is now active on your PayPal account. And that's how to add another email address to your PayPal account. Thank you for watching.